Having AEDs in vehicles is a brilliant idea, but it has been a problem up to now because AED units, although the unit itself may be good for lower temperatures or higher temperatures, the pads and the batteries, there is a problem with that because they have the minimum operating ranges. Now, with the HeartHero, this will go down to -20 degrees. So with -20 degrees, it means you can quite safely keep it in a vehicle. So we can now have AED units in vans, in taxis, in lorries, in cars. It's a very easy way. Now, this unit is very small, it's tidy, it can fit into the vehicle easily. You can have it securely contained within the vehicle. You can put it in first aid kits, and it won't need any extra maintenance in the sense you don't need to take it out at night. So the HeartHero also has lots of other features which include IP66 rating, so it's very good for all weathers. It connects to an app, so you can actually monitor the unit from your phone. Also, it has LTE connection. So with LTE connection, it's sending over its checks to the web, and then that's obviously viewable through the app on your phone. So having AEDs in cars, vans, lorries is now something which is reality, which means hopefully we can have AEDs more available in the community where they're actually needed the most.